Hello student, here we discuss electrochemistry as well as this thermodynamics combo question is there. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Here we discuss about delta G. Okay, calculate standard free energy change. Calculate standard free energy change for the reaction half of Cu plus half Cl2 is half Cu2 positive plus Cl negative. Okay, so here remember half I have written, taking place at 25 degrees C in a cell whose standard EMF is 1.02 volt. Options are given to you. You should know that delta G naught is equal to minus NFE naught cell. Here remember that it is Cl negative, so means only one electron transfer over here. So delta G naught, that is standard free energy change, is equal to minus NFE naught cell. N is the number of electron transfer during balanced redox reaction. 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 coulomb, and E naught cell given 1.02 volt. So these four specific units conditions they have given, so we have to calculate delta G naught. So delta G naught is equal to minus NFE naught cell. As I told you, remember that only one Cl negative is operating, means 1 Faraday charge is required. Okay, so instead 1 Faraday means what is it? I write here 1 Faraday, and E naught cell is given 1 into 1.02. Okay, this is the equation. Now instead of Faraday I have written 96500, because 1 Faraday is equal to having value 96500 coulomb. So 1 into 96500 into 1.02 is equal to minus 98430 joule. Calculate it out. So answer here A is correct, minus 98430 joule. But sometimes they are giving the same question and they are writing kilojoule. Instead of joule they will write on in kilojoule. At that moment what you have to do, the value in which we got, what is the value? 9840. This 98430 value in joule. Okay, and this is joule per kilojoule. So kilojoule will be up, and then joule will be cancelled out. So when we divide 98430 divided by 1000, then we'll get answer in kilojoule. Better you can put one decimal over here. See, like this, 1 2 3 digit. So put 98 point, answer will be 98.430 kilojoule. What is it? Free and standard condition, then only we write on standard. What are standard condition? 1 m concentration, 298 Kelvin temperature. Okay, remember this thing. So delta G naught will be write on standard free energy change. In kilojoule value is this, and in joule value is this.